A few months ago, my old washer died right before a busy work week. I rushed to buy a smart washer, only to end up with a clunky, vibrating nightmare that left my clothes soaking wet. Navigating Samsung's massive lineup with confusing model numbers and AI jargon can be a total disaster. In this video, I'm reviewing the top 5 Samsung washing machines based on my brutal hands-on testing to help you avoid a costly mistake. Stick around for number 1. It completely transformed my laundry routine and solved every issue I ever had. 5. Samsung WF90F53 ADSA5. This is a massive 5.3 cubic foot ultra-capacity machine wrapped in a striking dark steel finish that immediately commands attention and looks incredibly futuristic in any modern laundry room. When I first unboxed and set up this heavy-duty unit, I was highly eager to test its headline technological feature, the 7-inch AI Home touchscreen display. It boldly replaces traditional tactile buttons and turn dials with a glowing, smartphone-like interface that learns your washing habits and suggests tailored cycles based on seasonal needs. In practical, everyday testing, the sheer cleaning power of this machine is undeniably strong. Equipped with Samsung's advanced AI OptiWash Plus technology, the washer uses internal sensors to automatically detect load weight, fabric type, and soil levels, dynamically adjusting the water and detergent dosage on the fly. I ran a heavily soiled load of sweaty gym clothes mixed with muddy outdoor hiking gear, and the internal steam wash feature thoroughly loosened the tough, set-in stains without requiring any messy, time-consuming pre-treatment in the sink. For large, busy families needing to plow through massive laundry baskets of thick towels or king-size bed comforters, the cavernous tub capacity is a massive practical benefit. However, during my extended weeks of living with this machine, several highly frustrating daily drawbacks emerged that firmly anchor it at the bottom of our list. The auto-dispense detergent drawer, while sounding like a brilliant convenience on paper, frequently left behind a thick, sticky layer of dried soap residue. This meant I had to regularly pull the drawer out and manually scrub it in the sink just to keep the system flowing, which entirely defeated the purpose of an automated feature. 4. Samsung WD90F53 AVBIS. This model is a vented, all-in-one washer and electric dryer unit finished in a gorgeous brushed black exterior that heavily promises to eliminate the daily hassle of transferring wet clothes from one machine to another. Unboxing this heavy unit initially gave me incredibly high hopes. The very idea of throwing a load of dirty clothes in before leaving for work and coming home to perfectly clean, warm, and dry laundry without lifting a single finger sounds like the ultimate household luxury. When testing its washing and drying cycles on average days, the performance was quite impressive on light to medium loads of casual wear. Using the integrated AI OptiWash and Dry system, the machine intelligently detects fabric density and adjusts both the washing intensity and the subsequent drying times automatically. The high-capacity drum handled large piles of everyday t-shirts and jeans with relative ease, and the traditional vent system pulled hot, moist air out efficiently during the electric drying phase. The integrated Flex Auto Dispense system also conveniently stores up to 34 loads worth of liquid detergent, making quick daily starts seamless and completely mess-free. Unfortunately, several critical practical flaws surfaced during my heavy-duty testing phases that severely limit its overall versatility and appeal. Because this particular model is a traditional vented 240-volt unit, the installation process is highly restrictive. It requires heavy-duty electrical wiring and a dedicated external wall vent pipe. This completely defeats the space-saving, plug-and-play adaptability that most buyers are actively looking for when they shop for an all-in-one combination unit. 3. Samsung WH46DBH500 EVA3. This single-unit stacked washer and dryer combination features a highly capable 4.6 cubic foot washer on the bottom and a spacious 7.6 cubic foot electric dryer on top, completely wrapped in a stunning, fingerprint-resistant brushed black finish. What makes this laundry hub so incredibly special right out of the box is its ingeniously integrated central control panel. Instead of forcing you to stretch on your tiptoes to reach high dials on a stack dryer, both appliances are fully controlled from a single, intuitive AI smart dial panel located perfectly at chest height. Testing this towering unit was an absolute pleasure, especially for anyone dealing with cramped vertical laundry closets. The super speed cycle proved to be an absolute game changer for my busy schedule, allowing me to flawlessly wash a full load in just 28 minutes and thoroughly dry a load of synthetic fabrics in about 30 minutes. Being able to get complete outfits completely clean and ready to wear in under an hour is a massive lifesaver. The powerful steam sanitize feature in the upper dryer drum also worked absolute wonders on my bed sheets and throw blankets, effectively eliminating pet dander and musty odors while smoothing out stubborn wrinkles without ever needing to plug in an iron. The space-saving vertical profile of this stacked system is truly unmatched for modern apartments, condos, or compact home utility rooms. Because the washer and dryer operate as a seamlessly integrated ecosystem, the washing machine automatically communicates cycle data up to the dryer. Two, Samsung WF53BB 8900 US. Finished in a breathtaking, deeply elegant brushed navy color, this standalone 5.3 cubic foot ultra-capacity washer delivers an absolute masterclass in flat panel minimalist design, premium build quality, and raw, uncompromising cleaning performance. From the very moment I unpacked this machine and slid it into place, the flat front bespoke styling, scratch-resistant tempered glass, and chrome accented door gave my laundry space a remarkably clean, high-end architectural look that standard, bulky curve washers simply cannot match. During my rigorous testing, this standalone washer proved to be an absolute powerhouse when tasked with handling heavy, stubborn, and oversized laundry loads. Powered by Samsung's highly advanced digital inverter motor, which is backed by an incredible, industry-leading 20-year warranty, it runs whisper quiet even when spinning at maximum speeds. The upgraded VRT plus vibration reduction technology actively keeps the heavy machine completely steady and balanced, even on my bouncy second floor installation. It successfully eliminated the annoying shaking, walking, and rattling that violently plagues so many lesser front-load washers on the market. The deep cleaning capabilities on this bespoke model are nothing short of exceptional across all 25 of its available wash cycles. The integrated AI OptiWash feature intelligently senses dirt and soil levels in real time, injecting additional detergent or automatically extending the warm rinse cycle when it detects heavily soiled, muddy sports gear, or thick pet blankets. Combined with the reliable super speed option, I was able to wash a massive, bulky load of weekend laundry in just 28 minutes without compromising a single ounce of stain removal or gentle fabric care. The auto-dispense system works flawlessly on this specific unit, dosing the exact, mathematically perfect amounts of detergent and softener based strictly on the load weight, ensuring you never waste expensive soap or leave itchy, soapy residue behind on your skin. One, Samsung WD53DBA 900HZA1. Featuring a cavernous, family-size 5.3 cubic foot capacity finished in a sleek dark steel. This is a 120-volt, ventless heat pump all-in-one washer and dryer that completely redefines what doing laundry looks and feels like. The very moment I plugged this massive machine into a standard, everyday household electrical wall outlet, without needing an expensive electrician for a 240V plug or cutting a hole in my wall for an external exhaust vent, I immediately knew it was going to change the game entirely. The daily, hands-off convenience of this advanced machine is simply unbeatable and borderline magical. You simply throw your dirty clothes in before you leave the house. Select the AI Opti-Wash and Dry Cycle on the vibrant, highly responsive 7-inch AI home touchscreen, and walk away to live your life. There is absolutely zero wet load transfer required. The machine washes your clothes thoroughly and transitions straight into a gentle, highly efficient heat pump drying phase all on its own. In my hands-on testing, a full wash and dry cycle of everyday clothes completed in a mind-blowing 98 minutes, leaving my garments perfectly dry, soft, wrinkle-free, and smelling incredibly fresh. What truly elevates this model miles above everything else currently on the market is its revolutionary, eco-friendly ventless heat pump technology. By continuously recycling hot air at lower, safer temperatures, it dries your expensive clothes with extreme gentleness, preventing shrinkage while simultaneously reducing energy consumption by up to 70% compared to conventional electric vented dryers. Ultra. That's all for today.